Want to invite someone to Microsoft Teams? Whether you're inviting a coworker to a meeting, adding someone to a team, or bringing an outside guest into Teams, the process is pretty simple. In this guide, I'll show you the main ways to invite people on PC, so let's get started. First, let's invite someone to a Teams meeting. Open Calendar and select the meeting you want to invite them to. Choose Edit if you're changing an existing meeting, then add the person's name or email address to the required or optional attendees field. Save or send the updated invitation. If you're creating a new meeting, select New Event from the calendar. Enter a meeting title, then add the people you want to invite in the required attendees field. Add the date and time, then select Save or Send. The invite will be sent through the calendar system. Another easy option is to share the meeting link. Open the meeting details and copy the Teams meeting link. You can then send it through email, chat, or another messaging app. People can use the link to join the meeting, and depending on the meeting settings, they may enter directly or wait in the lobby. Already in a meeting, you can invite someone from the meeting window. Select People or Participants, then use the option to invite someone or add a participant. Depending on your team setup, you may be able to search for a person or enter a phone number. If you want someone to become a member of a team rather than just attend one meeting, find the team in your Teams list. Select More options next to the team name, then choose Add Member. Enter their name or email address and select Add. Team owners can add members directly. Need to invite someone from outside your organization? Team owners can add external people as guests. Enter their email address, select the matching guest option, add their name, and confirm. The guest receives an invitation by email and must accept it before accessing the team. You can also invite someone directly to a chat. Select Chat, choose New Chat, then enter their name or email address. For external users, Teams can support invitations through external access when it's enabled by your organization. If you're using Teams free for personal use, you can also invite contacts by sharing an invitation link. Open the profile menu, select Invite to Teams, then copy the link and send it to your contact. And that's how to invite someone to Microsoft Teams. Use Calendar for meetings, share a meeting link when needed, add members to Teams, invite external guests, or start a chat. So choose the method that fits what you want the person to do, and you're ready to connect.